How to log in Slack account online. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel Create, Login and Delete. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to log in Slack account online. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar, search for www.slack.com. You will then be led to the official webpage of Slack. You will see the option for sign in on top of your screen. Tap on that. Now, to sign in, you will see various options such as you can sign in with Google, you can sign in with your Apple ID, or you can simply sign in with your email. Select the best suited option for you. If you are signing in with your email, then go ahead and enter your email in the text box you see there and tap on the sign in with email button. You will then receive a verification code in the email ID you just entered. So go ahead and enter the verification code sent to you in your email address, and with this you will be signed in to Slack successfully. So this is how you can log in to Slack account online. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.